guys, welcome again to another vlog. If you are new here, my name is Lucia and we have Strongman right there. Welcome again to another video. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Please like this video as usual. Okay, so today is another day and we want to start working right now. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so we have changed our mind. Strongman, can you explain to us what we have why we have changed our mind?
We have decided that this place we have to partition it again. Okay guys, so I'm still going to work here. We have to put a little bit of woods and some chipboards, which we have them, which remained after we did our bedroom. I think after we did our bedroom. So guys, here we're going to work here. I have to do this plumbing first of all. We have to move this thing so that digging this place is very hard, because what was used here, you know what was used here on this floor. I don't know how we are going to go about it, but I'll think about it and then we are going to work. First of all, let us go to the stores and check if you're going to find some things that need to be used here. So guys, let's start working here, and I hope that you're going to enjoy the outcome of this place. Remember, it's only this part that we have remained with, working on this room. We decided not to leave these Mabatis so that we can have, because the view from outside, when you're coming from outside, the view from this place,
it doesn't look good.
And
that's why
we like good things. We like beautiful people, beautiful things, and the world's become an awesome world to everyone. So I'm going to work on it, and I hope the outcome will be amazing as
we don't have electricity right now.
Now electricity have shown us what
what are you going to use?
Shown us. You're going to work as we wait for it. The little that we have, you're going to use it.
Yes.
Yeah.
The little energy.
The little energy.
You know, you are going to use the energy to cut the wood.
Yeah, I'm going to use a lot of energy in cutting the woods and other things.
Honey, are you hungry?
I'm not hungry. I'm tired.
In the morning.
In the morning.
Okay.
So
let's start working.
So let's start working here, and we hope the results will be as awesome as usual and as before. Strongman is strong. It's just his voice tone which is down, but I'm okay with it. By the time when the cold is off, I will be okay. Yeah, but when I start cutting those things, everything will be okay. The cold will have gone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the plumbing work. This is how it begins. Enjoy this week in the heart and less of the week as it is.
Umeniokoa, umeniinua, umenipa jina jipya. Wewe ni mwema, wa ajabu sana. Ninakupa moyo wangu wote na kuabudu, Bwana. kwa roho na kweli na kuinua. Baba, wewe ni Mungu wa milele, hakuna kama wewe, wa rehema na upendo. Na kuabudu, Bwana wangu. Nilipokuwa nimepotea, ulinifuata kwa huruma. Nilikuwa mchovu, sina tumaini, lakini mkono wako ulinishika. Wewe ni taa yangu gizani, wewe ni ngome yangu katika kilio na furaha. Bado wewe ni Mungu, na kuabudu.
Okay guys, we are finished up with the plumbing. Now we are going to work on the walls. And you have to take the measurement very correctly or your house will be crooked. 72.25. You also come here because our floor is not of the same level. Yes, it's okay now. Now you can start the cutting of the woods and doing other things.
Katika dunia ya giza na dhiki, sauti yako natamani nisikie. Macho yangu yaangazie kweli, niongoze Bwana wa milele. Niongoze Bwana kwa mapenzi yako, siwezi bila wewe, mwanga wa njia. Moyo wangu wakuhitaji, Yesu, niongoze daima. Niweke karibu na uso wako, nifundishe kupenda kama wewe.
With this one, you have to reduce it here because of our pipe, our plumbing pipe here, our drainage pipe, not plumbing, our drainage pipe. Because the plumber has done his work. Now it's the work for the carpenter or the engineer on the ground, which is me and my co-engineer here, who is also the cameraman and the camera woman. He does both, he multitasks. He's a camera woman and a cameraman. And for those who don't know her, sometimes she is a he and she is a she. Actually, yes, you so
Ile ndio hii hapa chini.
Ile hapo iko na fremu.
Hiyo sijaiona.
Moyo wangu hakuhitaji, Yesu
Ladies cut me for photo.
niongoze daima. Yesu
Desperado. Amigo.
niongoze daima.
Simgongo.
Kwa mbisi misumari hapa. Munga msumari aina hiyo. Ngumu sana, ngumu sana. Ngumu sana.
When the storm is loud and raging and my heart begins to fear, I will run into your presence, for I know that you are near. You whisper peace into my soul. You never let me go. You are my rest. You are my refuge. In you forever faithful, forever real. Oh Jesus, you are my rest. Though the night is long and heavy and my strength begins to fade, I will trust in your great mercy, every promise you have made. You whisper peace into my soul. You never let me go. You are my rest. You are my refuge. In you alone my heart is still. You hold my hand through
So this is how this wall looks right now. It looks amazing and everything is super neat, very neat, huh? So this is solar. Can you see this light right there? That is solar. So we decided to change our mind and partition this place. As you know, we didn't want it to be partitioned, but we said why not, just to make the room look like the same. So I think now it will look amazing when after we paint. It will look very nice after we paint the color that we have chosen. We already have the paint and the color that we want. Okay, so this is how the last wall looks. Very nice, very neat, huh? And it looks amazing. Okay, and the other part also, we have fixed this window, but unfortunately it cracked. Can you see that crack? Yeah, unfortunately it cracked because of the banging. Yeah? But anyways, it is what it is. So after this, we are going to show you what you are going to do with this room. We have a lot to do here. We have some finishing to do, yeah, a few finishing here and there to put, and also to put the finishing. This is a corner hivyo, and then also here we are going to put the frames right there. We have a lot to do, but anyways, they are just finishing. Also here we are going to cover everything. You won't see the spaces. You know what we do here. And that's all guys. I think now the room will look very beautiful. We saw that this is the front face of this room, when you are coming from this door right here. So we decided that, and we thank God it came out very nice. So I hope you have enjoyed. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and thank you so much for coming and watching our video. We really appreciate a lot. May God bless you. Bye bye.